So now let's see how we can utilize the color eyedropper tool inside of Corel Draw. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu right here, and then I'm going to go around onto import. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and bring in this particular image right here, just like this. So now, for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this shape, and let me just go around and change around the size of the edge of this shape as well. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around onto the eyedropper tool, and you can select the sample size to be a single pixel, or you can go around and let the sample size be much larger and be 5.5 pixels. So if I were to go around over here and select this area of sample right here, then I have that particular color chosen, and if I were to go around and click, then that sample color is added in, as you can see right here. If I were to go around onto the sample color right here, I can go ahead and pick a color right here, just like this, and then around over here at the edge, if I were to click, then you can see that I can add the sample color onto the edge as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the eyedropper tool inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.